Welcome to the Used Car Factory. I'm Lori. I have a great vehicle to show you. It's a 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Come on around, I have some features to show you. This is a V6, four-wheel drive. Great room for your whole family. The rear view mirror has a backup camera in it. It also has a CD player, which a lot of vehicles don't have these days, so that's awesome. You can take a look at the back and you can really see how much room it really has. Great leg room, great headroom. And it has a cap on the back and also has a roof rack so you can carry your kayak, canoe, surfboard, whatever it is you're hauling. And it does have a tow package. It can carry up to 6,500 pounds. And it has a lockable cap so you can keep things secure. This is a great vehicle. For a 2009, it's in great shape. If you want to take a closer look, come see me, Lori, at the Used Car Factory, 240-249-6800. I would love to help. Thanks.